stopping by today. We are making granola bites. They are filled with nutrition and they are delicious sweet treats. Perfect for lunches, perfect for the time you need to eat something quick on the run. To get started, I've gathered my ingredients here. My base is going to be peanut butter with maple syrup. Also have sunflower seeds, cranberries, chocolate chip, flax meal, oatmeal, and cinnamon. So I'll move some of these things out of the way. To start with, I put my peanut butter in my bowl, and I like this bowl. It's a little bit heavier for mixing, and then I'm going to start by adding my liquid ingredients. That was almond, however you could use vanilla if you would prefer. So get that mixed in, and now I'm adding the maple syrup, and we'll incorporate all of that together. I find it easier to just start with adding a little bit and thinning out the peanut butter a little bit. Now I'll add the rest of the maple syrup. It's important to get this all incorporated. Almost there. Scrape off what's on the stirrer or spatula, whatever utensil you're using. Okay, that looks great. Next, I'm adding my oats and my cinnamon, my flax meal as well. I'm going to get this started and then I will put in the remaining ingredients. Before it's completely mixed, I'm now adding my chocolate chips. These, of course, are vegan. I use Enjoy Life most of the time. There's some sunflower seeds, and I'm using dried cranberries. You could use any dried fruit you would like. I'm breaking up the little clumps of fruit, and now I will continue to mix this. You can see how the heavier bowl just makes it a little bit easier. It's not sliding all over the place. Okay, this is fully incorporated, and now I'm going to form the balls. I'm using a cookie scoop so that I get even-sized balls. Also, I'm not baking this, I'm just using this as my work area. My first step is I will get a scoop of the mixture and press it against the side of my bowl. And the reason I'm not shaping these into nicer balls just yet is that the flax meal will start absorbing some of the liquid, and then this won't be so sticky to work with. So step one, get them on a cookie sheet or a working surface. I've scooped out all of the mixture, and I'm going to wait about 10 minutes, and then I will form a more compact granola bite. It's been 10 or 15 minutes, so now I'm going to compact the bites. I squeeze them together. Show you one more. So that's how I compact the granola bites. All of the energy bites have been compacted, and now I'm going to store them in my refrigerator. Then simply cover and refrigerate until you're ready to use. Okay, let's see how they taste. These have a great texture. The creamy peanut butter versus the crunch of the sunflower seeds. Truly, these will just fill you up. They will be great in lunches, great if you take them on a hike. We'll see you next week. And please, if you would, like and subscribe to our channel.